How to delete mentioned comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a mentioned comment on Instagram. So if you want to delete a mentioned comment on Instagram, you simply need to follow these steps. So first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And after that, you need to navigate to the post or reel where the comment is mentioned. Now tap on the comment section to view all comments. Now find the comment where you have mentioned or tagged someone. And once you have found that, simply tap and hold the comment that you want to delete. And a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the delete option. And once you do this, you'll see a confirmation at the bottom saying comment deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.